This is how I like to blow dry my hair using the Dyson Airwrap. So I start off by using the smoothening tool first, which is this brush-like extension. And I first use the brush under my hair like this, so the hair is over the brush, and then I turn it upside down so the hair is over the brush, and then I turn the brush around a little bit. I hope you understand what I mean by seeing what I'm doing. So I put the brush on top, and then as you can see, I wrapped the hair around. So this creates a little tension and smoothens the hair. So then I move on to the round brush, and then I do the exact same gesture, but this time with the round brush, and then I rotate it here. This is the most important gesture, and you can also add in a cool shot. You do that by pushing your finger up on the trigger, and this gives out cool air, and cold air is actually what sets your hair. So hot air molds your hair to whatever shape or form you want, and cold air actually sets your hair. So with Dyson, it's very important to give that cool shot and let your hair stay there for some time. So I just repeat the exact same thing for all of my hair. As you can see, I'm not really separating it into sections. I'm just going with small sections one at a time, and that's it. This is one of the easiest way for me to blow dry my hair, and the results are really amazing, and this way it actually lasts on my hair too. I hope you guys like this. That's it for this video. I'll see you soon.